Miss Darlene Ahuna is gonna give us a treasure of her repertoire.
Repertoire. They went
Yeah,
junk in the pool without me.
REPER
Twa.
Yeah, okay.
Unne aku ay kapanit ka uwa pa ay long ikaw kaya unne aku ay kapanit ka uwa pa ay long ikaw kaya Mahalo.
Man, you get that puka in the car. To the keyhole. Not only the car, but in the hale.
In the holly
In
too.
the
Yes,
holly.
in the holly. She was looking
In the
what
holly.
was inside.
Yeah. What was you looking at? No, that's not
That's
proper
my,
grammar.
my secret.
That's not a proper grammar.
My secret.
What was you looking at? What were you still looking at? Yeah. That's much more better.
Yes, that's much more better grammar.
Advanced English.
Yeah.
That's your
That's,
grammar.
yes, my grammar. That's my grammar too.
Okay.